Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown with Commodity Consulting with some commentary for Thursday. It's about 2:40 Eastern Time. Markets certainly held their own today. In fact, cotton traded a little better, and so we just get right to that. The cotton market today had news that the day before yesterday, the Chinese PMI number came out, Purchasing Managers Index, better than expected. That's a little bit of a positive. And then overnight, the USDA attaché in Beijing suggested that maybe the Chinese ending stocks are not as great as the Chinese have been saying. You know, they could be down, anywhere 5 to 7%. We're thinking where there's smoke, there's fire. So I think the market likes that. Also, it's time for the seasonal turn. You know, the market's been bearish for a long time, and we're not certainly bullish to the market, but the sun don't shine on the same dog's behind all the time, as the old saying goes. So cotton today was strong. We need March cotton to take out last week's high. Last week's high, of course, was 60.71. We went out today at 60.42. So tomorrow, it's not that far-fetched of a deal that we could do that. Grains today started out a little bad, but finished strong. Beans were up about 12 cents, spot beans. Corn was up 8 cents, and wheat was up a little bit. I think there's some good exports in beans and corn. I think the market knows that we've got huge crops already. Now, we will have a supply-demand number out next week, and there's a lot of talk that this will be the report that shows the extra strong yield per acre number, the extra strong too many bushels, too much carry out, all of the above. But the market has a way of dealing with that bearish news, and we're certainly entering the post-harvest time now. I suspect there could be a lot of producer selling as we get to the end of the year, and particularly after we cross the line and get into 2015. But nonetheless, I think the market, after having a little break this week, decided to finish a little stronger, and we're going to wait out the supply-demand numbers, which come out next Wednesday at high noon. So the dollar today down. There were some comments from the European Union's central banker, Draghi, that was bullish to the euro currency and a little bearish to the dollar. So a weakening dollar is always a strong sign, or at least a good underpinning for U.S. ag commodities. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. If you have any questions or comments, of course, give us a call at 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.